Have you ever wanted to make a colored drip cake? Watch this video to see 2 easy methods on how you can achieve this. For stress-free cake tutorials and advice, be sure to click subscribe and hit that bell to be notified whenever I post new videos. Also, if you want to hear even more from me and see some behind-the-scenes stuff that I don't share anywhere else, make sure to follow me on Instagram at @JustBekause. So there are 2 really easy ways to get a colored ganache drip for your cakes. The first method is by using colored candy melts, and the second way is by adding some gel food coloring to a white ganache drip in order to achieve your desired color. So the first method I'm showing you is by using a white ganache drip and adding in your own desired coloring. This is probably my favorite way just because I can really control and play around with the colors. To make a white ganache, you can find the recipe below. Once your ganache is melted, you'll add some AmeriColor Flow Coat. This helps your gel food coloring mix smoothly into your ganache without having it seize up. You can also use an oil-based food color as well. For this small amount of ganache, I put about a teaspoon in. Mix it, then add in your gel food coloring. Your ganache should still be smooth when you add in the gel coloring. If you notice it seizing up though, you can add some more Flow Coat. By this time, your ganache should be cooled down and ready to be used on your cake. So this next method is the easiest, and it's using already colored candy melts. You just need to do a ratio of 1:3 heavy cream to candy melts. Pop it in the microwave in 10-second increments until it's completely smooth, then wait for it to cool down and thicken up a bit. Then you're ready to apply to your cake. You can mix different colored candy melts together as long as you follow the same 1:3 ratio. So those are my 2 easy methods on how you can achieve a colored drip for your cakes. Let me know in the comments below which method you prefer, using the candy melts or adding some gel coloring to your white ganache drip. If you liked this video, be sure to click like, hit subscribe, and don't forget to check out my other drip tutorials listed below.